Rain taps the window like your fingers once did. This letter in my hand, edges frayed. Words blurred, I trace the date you wrote, forever in blue ink. Now the monsoon weeps it into ghosts. Street lights flicker on wet pavement. Your shadow dances where you never walked again. You said we'd meet where the diver ends, but the current took your promises instead. I stand in the downpour calling your name, while the wind carries silence back to me. Your favorite chai stall closed last Diwali. The owner asked about you, I smiled and lied. Said you moved to Mumbai for brighter days. Didn't mention how you left mine behind. Train whistles echo through midnight fog. Each one sounds like the goodbye you never said. You said we'd meet where the river bends, but the current took your promises instead. I stand in the downpour calling your name, while the wind carries silence back to me. This bangle you left on my windowsill, still chimes when the storm winds blow. A hollow sound where your laughter lived. You said we'd meet where the diver bends, but the current took your promises instead. I scream into the thunder, your name breaks while the river swallows every echo. You said we'd meet where the river bends, but the current took your promises instead. I stream into the thunder, your name breaks while the river swallows